Introducing the BAVIN AUX69 Hi-Fi Bluetooth. Features its receive and transmit mode signals. Plug and play. Receives audio from Bluetooth. Pair with AUX69, turning non-Bluetooth speakers into Bluetooth devices, making your devices Bluetooth ready with TX mode. Wide compatibility, perfect for audio calls. Features: its high sound quality, has a built-in microphone, perfect for wireless keyboards, wireless mouse, Bluetooth printers, and more. Has a built-in controller for switching your songs. Has a fast connection, charged with Type-C, made from high-quality materials. Has a light indicator. BAVIN AUX69 plug-and-play Bluetooth connection. Get yours now.